Next na to for today. So, ngayon ay complex roots lang. Ay, not complex roots, identical roots naman. So, for the process ng solving for the identical roots, same lang din naman with the first two. So, ngayon, ito yung, dahil na-introduce na natin yung discriminant kanina, for discriminant, i-introduce na din agad natin kasi baka nagbigay ng problem tapos hindi mo alam kung ano yung i-apply sa tatlo. So, ito na yung gawin nating first step. So, b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, 2 distinct and real. If the discriminant is equal to 0, 1, and real. So, parehas lang sila, perfect square. And if b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, it is complex. So, for this instance, dito tayo ngayon nakafocus dahil ang topic natin ngayon is identical roots na. So, for identical roots, you can get the roots by using the formula for, ito yung nakikita sa conic sections actually, R1 and R2 is equal to, dahil parehas lang, negative B over 2A. Actually, may apply nyo rin din naman yan sa lahat. Although wala kayong makukuhang matinong sagot, except if the given is a perfect square. So ngayon, papahirapan pa ba natin? Siyempre hindi na. Doon na tayo sa same process of solving kung ano na yung solving technique kasi na-discuss naman na natin sa pinakauna kung ano yung theory. Same lang din sila. Magkaparehas lang sila ng theory on how to solve, but meron lang silang magiging slight differences or may variation siya. So, for the solution natin, it comes in the form of yx is equal to c1e raised to, oh, sorry, napura. But this is c1e raised to negative bx over 2a plus c2xe negative bx over 2a. Nakita lang yun na iba? For 1 and equal, meron lang x term. Yan lang. Then the process is the same. Huwag na nating pahabain, try natin. Sample. So for the example, y bar bar plus 2y bar plus y is equal to 0. So this is r squared plus 2r plus 1 equals 0. So ito is r, parehas, meron. Then plus 1 equals 0. So ang r natin is equal to negative 1. Or alternatively, kung gusto mo ganito yung pag-solve, edi r equals negative b over 2a. R equals negative 2 over 2 times 1. R equals negative 1. Di ba parehas lang din? Kahit anong algebra, basta tama, parehas magiging tama. So ngayon, ano na lang ang kailangan nating idagdag dito? So for yx, yung formula natin is equal to c1e raised to r x plus c2e, so c2x e raised to r2x. So y, actually kahit di mo sulat si r1 and r2x, kasi pares lang naman. So yx equals c1 e raised to negative x plus c2x e negative x. Simple lang. So okay tayo doon? Yan lang ang nadagdag for ating identical roots. Thank you.